Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add notes to your habit on the Habit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your homepage and select your habit, tap on it. Here you can see your improvement and keep track of it at this section and mark when you have done a session of your habit, and tap on the memo button down below to input your memo here. So add your notes, and then you can add these emojis too. If you are done, click on the check mark icon down below, and here you will be able to check them out at this section. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.